In this video, we're going to go over how to pay utilities with your Unitedhealthcare Ucard. Really easy and simple. First, you just go ahead and check your Ucard balance. You can do this using the app or website. Just log in with your credentials. Right? Just check your available balance to confirm that you have sufficient funds for the utility payment. Then what you need to do is go to the payment portal or website. Right? Depending on the utility provider, you'll need to do that and just go to your utilities company website. For example, electric, water, gas, and just look for a pay now or make a payment option on the website. Then what I want you to do is choose Ucard as the payment method. Right? So once you're on the payment page, select the credit or debit card as a payment method and just choose United Healthcare Ucard from the list of options if it is actually supported. And if Ucard is not directly listed, just enter the Ucard's 16-digit card number, expiration date, and CVV code manually, just like you would with a regular credit or debit card. And then you just need to enter the payment details, right? Fill out the necessary payment details such as your account number or billing information for the utility service, the amount you wish to pay. Just make sure it's within your Ucard balance, and then just go ahead and confirm the payment by clicking on the pay button to submit your payment. And after the payment is successfully processed, you'll receive a confirmation message on the screen. Just go ahead and save the receipt or take a screenshot for your records, and you should receive an email, right, or notification from the utility provider confirming the payment. And after the payment is done, it's a good idea to just check your Ucard balance to see the updated amount. Okay, just open up the Unitedhealthcare Ucard app or website again, view your balance, just keep track of your spending, and plan for upcoming payments. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.